Hi everyone, as you may know, Unity announced that the Unity form will be migrated. The thread is about the future of the Unity forms and Unity discussions. July 12, Unity forms will be read-only. That means you can't create a post or reply anymore. July 15, Unity discussions will be read-only, and it takes 3 days to Unity forms go live on Unity discussions. For myself, I started using Unity in 2017, so I'm not that old in the community. However, I have noticed that the old Unity forms were not that great. Back in 2006, they were good for their time, but nowadays the Unity form looks very messy. A couple of days ago, I couldn't find the right group threads to ask my question, and when I asked in general, my post got moved to another thread. I had a look at Unity discussions and it's much better. For example, it offers a light dark mode for the user interface. You can also select tags to easily find the right post you are looking for, and it offers more features than Unity form and better UI. Their goal is to migrate by the end of the July. Alongside migrating the form data, they are also working on a redesign of Unity Discussion to integrate the contents of both platforms. As Unity developers mentioned, the new platform will have everything you need in one location. It comes with a host of features aimed to improving usability, will reduce running costs, and allow them to focus more resources on developing a great platform for everyone. You might be wondering what data will be preserved during the migration. All topics with at least one reply or one like will remain. If your post doesn't have any replies or likes and is older than 90 days, it will be deleted. Topics younger than 19 days, including those without replies or likes, will remain. All stuff topics and sticky threads, all attachments, all private messages, and so on. I understand that some developers are not happy with this change, but I think the Unity is on the right path after their issues with the Unity runtime fee, and they are updating the old legacy system with a new one which improves the overall experience. So what do you think about this change? Leave a comment and share your thoughts.